Do you know that your MacBook's got a charging limit option like an iPhone that won't let you charge past 80, 90, even 95%? And you can easily set it up. Alright, so for that, you can either click on this battery icon at the top in the menu bar, and from there you can go to battery settings, or you can just open system settings, then straight go to battery. And then just click on this iInfo beside the charging option. And there it is. Here, you will find this new charging limit. Now what I'm going to do is just simply move the slider to any value between 80 and 100%. Now we recommend you keeping it between 80 and 90%. This helps reduce battery wear and can extend the overall lifespan on your battery. Once your Mac reaches the charge limit, it will automatically stop charging. Previously, optimized battery charging learned your charging habits automatically. Now, with this charging limit, you can simply set the maximum charge percentage by yourself. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.